Because it's in our faith and belief that it's our elders who are our guides. They're the ones that lead before us. So with humility and with great reverence. Ifa says that this character that we seek, this character that we seek in all things, we seek character first. So it is good character that we are trying to push forth. It's our belief that there are principally good deities and there are things that are negative, which we call ajogun, which are negative principles that go against the humanity. And it's our performance of ritual as well as prayers and invocations to allow those deities not to eat us up. As we have a deity to the left that is called Elenini, which seems at some point in time to come and eat up one's life. But in spite of us having many different deities, there's still the universality of the principle oneness of God. And we call him by many names. We call him Oluwole, Oluwole, Oba, Terekaye, Oba, the King of Kings, the Lord of Lords, the owner of today, the owner of yesterday. He's the owner of all days. So we have no songs for Oluwole. We have agents. His agents are Elegba, Ogun, the clearer of the road, Elegba, the opener of the road. We have Ochosi, the director of the road. We have many deities that would take too long to try to disseminate. And we give principal praise to Mother Earth, where we are. So, that dear Mother, who combs her hair with a rake, may she never swallow her son. I think in the confines of this time, it's very difficult to try to give you a really good grasp of the cycles, rituals that may be performed, whether it be the birth cycle, the death cycle, initiations, critical points of praise to women, because in our religion, women are very important. And in spite of us having some segments of higher priesthood, women have their place in everything that we do. And we say, Abelegeje Ajubana, Abelegeje, Adikapuna Shoruji, Oduroni Koko, Omaleje, Tanyambo, Tiose, Selebo, Abelegeje Ajubana, Bion Goyon, Kiko Afiti, Mon Yamia Shen, Iyawa Nemo, Boka, Roka, Kitoba Afiti, Amona Shen, Iyawa Mere, Oshuruji, Akule Amiro, Akule Opini. That it is women who are the pounder of yams. And whenever we cook yams, it's a woman that will be able to take out the lump. And whenever you find a lump in it, it is where we find women to smooth it out. And they are the creatures of the life who take care of humanity. And it says that we bow down on bended knee in praise for women. So that's a brief overview, and I thank you for your time.